Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace Kia Emblem. First, remove nearby trim clips, then heat the emblem edge gently with a hair dryer to soften adhesive and pry with a plastic trim tool. Clean remaining adhesive with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth until the surface is smooth and free of residue. Test fit the new emblem dry to ensure alignment before applying adhesive or double-sided tape for a secure bond. To remove the old emblem, heat the area to soften glue and gently work a plastic trim tool between emblem and panel. Keep steady pressure and use slow, small prying motions to avoid bending the backing plate or scratching paint. Once loose, lift the emblem carefully and place it aside for recycling or disposal. Scrape away large adhesive chunks, then clean remaining residue with rubbing alcohol so the new emblem will sit flat and stick correctly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make part storage and transport simple and tidy, keeping small screws and emblems secure without spills. They stack neatly in your trunk and seal tight, which saves time when you need the right piece quickly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Position the new emblem by aligning it with existing holes or guide marks, then remove protective backing from adhesive or tape. Press the emblem into place firmly, applying even pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure good contact and bond. Allow adhesive to cure undisturbed for the manufacturer-recommended time before washing or driving through car washes. Check edge seating after cure and trim any excess tape if necessary for a factory finish look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.